In the Raising Grateful Children project, we're really interested in helping parents have these gratitude conversations with their kids in a way that they show their kids they're caring about them and that they also share their own perspective. And the whole goal here is mutual understanding. We think caring and sharing are the core components of those conversations. Being child-oriented and putting away our devices to focus on our children so that we can hear what they have to say. And then encouraging them to tell us what's going on with them by asking open-ended questions. We also want to think about how the child is telling us information that relates to other experiences they have. This shows kids how much we're paying attention and really taking in what they're telling us. And then we also want to make sure we express our own pleasure in what those children are telling us. But a conversation is a two-way street. Sharing our own thoughts and feelings with our kids can help them understand their own gratitude moments a little bit more deeply. And we want to do that in a way that children can hear what we're saying, so that they can hear the language on a level that's developmentally appropriate for them and in a tone that's easy to hear, particularly when we're talking about things that we might think they could have done better. We want to do that also by avoiding common pitfalls that parents engage in when they're really upset with their kids because they've missed these gratitude opportunities. By exaggerating, by using punishing tone, maybe even yelling at kids. We also want parents to resist speaking for their kids. It's a moment for listening, even when we're sharing what we think children are experiencing in those moments. We might suggest to kids ways that they might be experiencing that moment, but we really want to understand what their experience is. And finally, we want to do that in a way that we don't dominate the conversation. So it's a mutual going back and forth. We exit our points. We make a point and we hear what our child has to say. So let's go back and give these parents another chance to have those conversations with their children about when they missed opportunities to show gratitude and see if they can do a little bit more caring and sharing in those conversations.